Oh, so I'm recording actually. Well, hello everybody. Welcome to and welcome back to Lilia's garden channel. And today I am so excited because I am in the garden right now and I got a little bit of time. I got some daylight, literally like a little more than half an hour, and I am trying to plant some potatoes. I got 5 pounds of potatoes that I want to plant tonight. It's three varieties. I don't know why I keep bending down when you guys could clearly see me as I am standing right now. I got 3 varieties. I got German butterball and I got purple Viking potato. I think this one. Yeah, if anything I'll just say in the description box if you ain't right. And I got all red potato. It's a total of 5 pounds. I just figured out you guys can't see what in the world I'm talking about. But there's 5 pounds of these babies in my basket right now, and they're actually chitted. You guys could tell they chitted. They're setting up new growth. And you know, I ain't about to be planted in the typical way you guys think. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about right now, I'm gonna link a video. It's a tried and true thing, and they actually grow, and they grow wonderfully, and it's just amazing because there ain't no tilling required, there ain't no disturbance of soil structure, there ain't no damage to the soil. There's just love, But yeah, let's get planting. What do you guys think? How many potatoes can we get before it gets dark? I don't know. You guys gonna figure out. I am like so excited, you guys. Like, let's get planting. Let's get planting. Let's get planting. So I actually wanted to explain how a potato like grows. If you guys are not aware, potato itself is not a root. It is actually a modified stem. The potatoes that we eat, they are modified stems. They're not roots. So, and that's the trick to growing them. Because once I lay the potato on the soil surface, let's pretend this is the soil surface. And I cover it with, mulch, wood chips. 8 to 11 inches of wood chips. Like this, right? I don't know, like this. And the actual roots of the potatoes, they go into the soil, and then the actual potatoes that we harvest and eat, they are in this area right here, right between the mother potato and the mulch layer. in that mulch layer, that's where they grow. So that's why it's so fun to grow them this way. It's so, you know, I feel like it's so liberating. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you. Oh, by the way, do you guys like my new hat? I got a new hat, and I think it looks lovely, and I decided to get it. So, and I love the color too. It's like whatever this color is. I'm not about to argue with you guys of what this color is. I have my own ideas of what this color is, and so it is what it is. Yes. So, anyhow, I'll just say, like I say in most of my videos, that I do read all your comments, you guys, and I love you guys so much. And what else do I want to say? And hope you guys are having the most wonderful day or night, whatever it is for you guys. And I have other videos that I'm planning to do, so I ain't gone, so stick around. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. If you guys remember, last year I harvested and planted some of my potatoes at the same time, so these are one of them that sprouted up. This is the Adirondack Blue, and I totally love it.